I've been using the skid steer a lot lately and it's great, except it has been completely destroying my back. So I decided to upgrade the seat. This is the seat that it came with. This is actually a Michigan V5200 with the Case logo embossed on it. And this is what Case gave you if you ordered a suspension seat in your skid steer from the factory. Michigan advertises this as a semi-suspension seat. And I'm not exactly sure how it works. There is a spring in there and some kind of like flexible plate that I guess is supposed to move up and down and cushion the ride. But as you can see, it doesn't really do anything. It's kind of a joke. The seat doesn't actually move at all, and I don't know, it just kind of sucks. So I got this. This is a Michigan V5300 seat, and it does actually have a legitimate suspension mechanism in it. So here you can see what I'm talking about. This seat does actually have a real suspension mechanism. So here's the undersides of both seats. You can't really see much, even in person. But that's what it is. And then the 5200 here. One other thing that is kind of a giveaway that this isn't a real suspension seat is that the seat belt actually attaches to the machine, not the seat itself. As you can see, there's no mounting point for a seat belt on the seat, whereas on the 5300, I don't know if you can see it there, but there's a little threaded hole that is designed to bolt the seat belt to. Okay, so it fits, but the armrests are in the way of the lap bar here, as you can see. So let me see if I can take those off. The other problem is the lever to adjust the seat hits this control lever right here, and you can't scoot the seat all the way back. So I think I can probably just bend this over some, and that'll be fine. Alright, well, I'm going to call that good. I mean, obviously I don't have enough time in it to give like a proper review or anything, but I can already tell it's way better than the previous seat. The only concerns I still have are these nubs that stick out for the armrests to attach to are still kind of in the way of the lap bar. This one not so much, but there's nothing I can really do about it without just cutting them off, because they're actually welded to the seat frame, so they're not removable or anything. But hopefully that won't really be an issue. And the other thing is headroom. I'm pretty tall, and there was a shortage of headroom even with the other seat, and this one sits up a few inches higher, so I'm a little worried about that. But the seat belt works, the seat switch works, and the slider works, so that's pretty good.